Hello and welcome to the introduction of the University of Life course at Cleveland State University. This course, as your book states, is designed to assist you in examining your choices and how they have made or will make your academic dreams a reality. So this course is an opportunity to take the time to reflect upon your career and life choices while experiencing your freedom. What is meant by someone reaching adulthood? How does one qualify as an adult? Who makes that determination are all questions we'll be exploring this semester. Since by society's definition we're all adults in this course, we have to look at our choices and what we're going to do with our college career that's going to lead us to our next career. What's the difference between job and career? Again, all things that we're going to explore in this class together. The assignments and activities and lectures that will be geared to assist you in making choices about your academic career. One of the topics we're going to be hitting this semester is the idea of goal setting. Goal exploration is an important priority to revisit. Sometimes we're going to find ourselves reflecting upon those goals daily, and while doing so, looking to see if our immediate goals are in fact leading us to our long-range goals for the future. Steve Piscatelli of our book mentions 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready, and 4 to go. Well, he equates the same principle to goal setting in that you first start by dreaming of the goal that you're looking towards, you act upon it, and then check reality to see if it's possible. Once you know, you're going to set forth the energy in which to accomplish that goal. Now, sometimes along the way, you may have to take a look back at that dream and see if you're in line. He calls this the Dare to Achieve Your Goal method. When facing thoughts such as, I don't think I can do this, or this appears too hard for me, it might be helpful to reapproach these methods to see if you're in line. I'm often reminded of the adage that the person who might look at the glass as half empty or half full. But I often argue that we need to look at the contents of the glass to see if we are looking at the real issue. The issue here that we're trying to get across is our education is important to us, and how we're going to use that education to dare to achieve our goals. The next topic we're going to be hitting in more detail later this semester is that of critical thinking. Now we're going to go into the levels of this pyramid in more detail in another chapter, but overall, critical thinking allows a person to apply, analyze, synthesize, and evaluate information. Once mastered, a person is able to move into areas of problem solving and creative thinking. Once you've mastered all of the tiers, you'll be able to focus on your long-range and immediate goal setting for yourself with a clearer mind. Piscatelli ends the introduction of our book by looking at 2 sections. He looks at reality check and energizing choices. For the reality check section, he got this idea by visiting Northeast Florida and how the coastal locations looked at their vulnerability to hurricanes. All around him there were signs saying reality check with a number displaying how high the ocean surge will rise for the categories 1 through 5 hurricanes. He says if you take a moment to consider your academic career, it's a lot like having the reality check for the hurricane season. You have the same options here for your own personal academic hurricane. It's a great lesson in continually remembering to revisit your goals and to hone in your critical thinking skills. Constant vigilance. And then he rounds out the introduction by talking about energizing your choices. Remember that this class is designed to academic conditioning, which is very similar to that of an athlete who's conditioning. Utilize all resources to make your decisions firm and not spur of the moment. Do this and you will experience more of an enriching atmosphere during your college career.